How to download Slack on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Slack app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the source icon at the bottom. Then tap on the search bar. Type in Slack and search for it. Select the first search result for Slack. Tap on the install button. The Slack app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the Slack app on a mobile device. Simply tap the open button, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use the Slack app for official communication and more. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the Slack app on a mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.